Hi guys, this is the first video of React Fundamentals. In this video, we are going to learn what is React, what is DOM, Real DOM, Virtual DOM and why React wins. Now consider there are thousands of elements on your web page. You just change your name and all the elements get refreshed. All the columns, all the pictures, all the videos is recalculated their values. So now here React comes. What is React? React is a JavaScript library which is used to build a fast and interactive UI. It is used to create UI. HTML create the structures, CSS style it, JavaScript give the function and React create the UI. With the help of React, you can create complex UI very easily. Now why do we need React? So normally modern web has many elements, like they have navbar, they have footer, they have sidebar, lists, shopping cart. Now if you just added a item in the list or not even item, you just increase the count of some particular item. Now what will happen, all the values will be recalculated, or the price of all the item in the shopping cart will be recalculated, all the elements will be recalculated their size just to increase the count of one element. Also you have to manually check how each elements are connected. You have to update each and every element which is connected to the count. So now here React helps you. Before understanding React, we need to understand what is DOM. So DOM is a documented object model. It is a tree-like structure of your HTML file. So what is Real DOM? Real DOM is the real tree-like structure of your website. I am going to virtualize you the real DOM. How actually DOM works. So I have created a small website, simple website, very simple website. We will go to inspect elements, and now you see it is divided into a proper structure. We have body, then we have heading, button. So we have properly divided into a structure. Now here in the body, in the title, we have hello React. As soon as I click change text, value change to hello world. So you see it's updated in DOM also or on the website also. Now if I updated value here, if here or hi everyone, and you see it's updated in the website also. I have updated in the elements and it's updated on the website also. So this is how real DOM works. Now what is the problem with real DOM is it is the actual browser representation of a web page. So the problem comes if you make any small changes, the whole layout will be recalculated. It will recalculate the size of the button, size of every element if it's present. It will recalculate every position, every size. It will rebuild the entire tree, and it will redraw every pixel on the screen. Means whenever you make small changes, everything gets updated or everything gets recalculated just to update a small change. So this is the problem you face when we work directly with real DOM. So for example, if you have a shopping cart and in the shopping cart there are 500 items, you have added just one more item. Now what will happen? It will recalculate everything. It will recalculate the price of all the items. It will check each and everything just to add one more item in your cart. Now React use virtual DOM. But what is virtual DOM? So it is a lightweight JavaScript copy of the real DOM. Basically, you have the real DOM. So, but React what will it to do? It will create the copy of your real DOM and save in the memory. Now, what happens whenever you make any changes? You have take any action on the website, either click the button, type your name, or save the data or anything. You take some action. What React do? It will create a new DOM. Whatever you have changes, it is saved in the new virtual DOM. Now you have total two virtual DOM. One is old and the other one is new. Now React will compare the old DOM with the new virtual DOM. It will find the difference between them, and now in the real DOM it will only update the difference it has found in the old virtual DOM and the real both old virtual DOM and the new virtual DOM. So this entire process is called define and reconciliation. So basic difference real versus virtual DOM. If you work directly with real DOM or virtual DOM, so in real DOM is the actual browser DOM, while virtual DOM is the copy. Real DOM will directly update, but with virtual DOM you first compare the changes made by user. Real DOM is slower for frequent changes because it will update the whole DOM, while virtual DOM is fast because it will update only the target, the changes it is required. In real DOM, browser handle everything, and virtual DOM will be handled by React. So why React is efficient? This is the reason. It is using virtual DOM. So your real DOM will be untouched until it's required. Efficient diffing means only it finds what the changes is made, and it will make only that particular change. It will group multiple changes into one render, and it is a selective re-rendering. Basically, it will only affect the component which is changed. Now, what is some misconception with React? React replace HTML. No, React does not. React does not replace HTML. It uses JSS and it combines JavaScript with HTML. We use HTML in JavaScript. Virtual DOM replace real DOM. It's a myth. Virtual DOM does not replace the real DOM. It just a helper. React is always faster, so it's also wrong. If your website is slow, if your website is small, or it is mostly static, no update is there in the website, like there is no button, or very rare there is some update, then React is not a better option. If UI is simple, then React is not a better option. So there are many websites, there are many web apps where React is used. Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, these are some of the famous examples. So what we have learned in this video: React is a JavaScript library used to create UI. DOM is the tree-like structure of a HTML file. Real DOM is the real tree-like structure or actual browser representation. Virtual DOM, the copy of the real DOM saved in the memory. Reconciliation, fast rendering, basically the selective update. So thanks to see the video. Let me know in the comment box if you have any question. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks to see the video till the end.